I'm getting nice head massage. Yeah, if me then it will be 10,000 calories. Oh my goodness, so it's a really big. Wow. Overall experience with Ocean Man really good. Dubai, Sharjah, Kazakhstan, we really enjoyed. That's why we continue. Yeah. Even you did in Thailand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Very organized.
Yeah, it's a good organized, good brand. Yeah.
correct. Today it was big disappointment. So and also achievement as well because I got my first medal without doing anything. Good morning from Panjim. Panjim in Goa, Goa in India. We are first time in India and Panjim. So first time we are in India. This is our second day. Yesterday we arrived and today I'm going to participate in 2-kilometer swim competition. It's happening in National Institute of Water Sport, Panjim. So today sea is nice. Last few days it was heavily raining and the water condition was not good. So today sea is manageable. So because of the heavy rain yesterday, 5 kilometers and half kilometer is got postponed to today. Now 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer going to start together. So we'll have many swimmers going to water together, and one I am going to participate will start 11 o'clock as per the schedule, and then half kilometer will have the award ceremony by 2 o'clock. Sun is up, sky not really clear. I think it will go more today, no?
No chance of confusion. Every loop you have to come out.
So what will happen? So there are different color buoys. The red ones basically straight line. If any yellow are the turning points. In all the locations it has to be on your right shoulder. And in this beach we can walk I think around 50 meters and then it will, 50 meters easily we can walk. So we'll be going to, we'll be going very far, no? See the first yellow, second yellow is there. This is for 10 kilometers, even the 2 kilometers. So on 10 kilometers it started. All the best to him. So 10 kilometer guys almost reach about 700 meters. The first yellow boy is in 400 meters. They took, hello, how are you? All good?
Ready for the last countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I think if you can walk about 500, sorry, not 50, 60 meters, no Dinesh? Easily can walk about 50, 60 meters.
Yes, I think it's close to, yeah, more than 50 meters. We just work.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, so we have Biba with us. I'll put...
No.
yeah? Why? So, this is Dinesh. Sri Lankan from Dubai. We came all the way to Goa for ocean man.
Yeah.
So Dinesh basically Marlon father. Marlon we hope he will win 5 kilometer race. Bharat, our friend, Indian friend we met here.
You're Indian, no?
Huh?
You're Indian.
What? Yes.
You're Indian.
Sri Lanka.
Indian, no?
Sri Lanka.
You look like Indian.
We are from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka?
Huh?
Không phải India.
Again, little showering. That's absolutely okay. It will not impact the race. So the plan was for 5 kilometer one loop, 10 kilometers two loops. Now because of the sea condition, especially on the other side, waves very strong, so they make the loop of 2.5 kilometers. So 5 kilometers it will be 2 loops, 10 kilometers it will be 4 loops. What's this river name? What's this river name?
River.
Huh?
River name is River Mandavi.
River Mandavi. This time what? Japanese, Chinese, Indonesian.
Korean, Taiwanese.
So first 5 kilometers in Marlon, our friend from Dubai approaching the line of first loop. Sea is getting rough now. Cloudy, sun disappear. 5 kilometer Marlon about to finish. Where is father? Atay hatalis dekay kiya. Tis pa hata. Ye කියන්නේ okay, Marlon finishing his 5 kilometer. Team of fishermen came and they want to stop the race because they can't take the boat out. Sea condition anyway rough because of the rain, water very dirty. Because of the rain, water very dirty. Not even 1 feet visibility. So their net is ready now. They want to pull the net. They are just waiting some time until kids to come out. Fishermen ready to pull the net now and then public blocking them now. What will happen? Oh my goodness, what will happen to kids? See? Even though, I think at least 100 swimmers, no, at least I think 300 swimmers are still on water, in the water. 300 swimmers are still in the water. They want to pull the net. I think that fishing boat from the organizers. It looks like a fishing boat, no? And it's blocking the swimmers' way. So that's what Ocean Man Goa, India.
First time.
No worry, first time. They will learn and do better next time. So someone went on the net and the fisherman is looking angry. But interestingly, he's wearing a Ocean Man t-shirt. Police coming, police coming, police coming. Oh, he's nice policeman. No, so he's keeping distance. You were on a category. Now, fisherman family also in battle.
මිනිහා හරි මොලේ කල්පනා කරන එක බයික් එකේ একটা බයික් එක දාලා වතුරට
He parked his bike safely and then walking now. But worth of whatever we spend. We are having real fun, otherwise we will not get this experience. Huh?
Without
No more swim, so let's have some fun.
And what
Come now, sit.
I told him I do another race. Oh yeah. Yeah, but
मसाज किधर है?
What is this?
हमको भी करेगा? What is it? ये क्या है?
Hair braiding.
Do it
No, what will I do?
and then swim. मेरे को तो होएगा नहीं.
क्या सर?
या
Hair braiding.
मेरा पास बाल ही है नहीं है.
आर्टिफिशियल लगाना पड़ेगा सर आपको.
तो मसाज कौन करेगा? आप क्या प्रमोट करता है इधर?
हेयर ऑयल
हाँ, ओके. Biba Tefa the massage. She also have YouTube channel. If you want to see cat fun videos, subscribe to Biba. I will put in the subscription. Huh?
Come get up and move. Just try massage.
I am getting nice head massage. After not having race. See, Biba also recording from others. What?
I think when you finish it, your hair start growing again, yeah?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Nice massage. Nice massage. Nice massage.
Can I take a picture of yours?
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Manju, then the way you were seeing again. Look at
Wait. Now massage time. USA. What oil is this basically?
Sorry?
What oil is this?
This is a blend of 18 herbs. It's an Ayurvedic oil.
Okay.
So it's very lightweight. Like you won't feel very sticky also with it.
Okay. What is this product called?
We are a brand called the Earth Collective.
Earth
So we only
Collective.
have hair products. We specifically have products for swimmers also.
Okay.
And apart from that, we have hair fall tonic, shampoo, conditioner, oil.
Okay. Nice.
This is hair oil. Yes.
Thank
Would
you.
you like to have a look?
Nice massage. अभी जो ऑयल से आपने मसाज दिया मेरे को.
Yeah, this is the oil. 18.
Yeah.
It's a blend of 18
अच्छा लगा है. तो हम इसमें क्यों मसाज करूँ? Normal.
Because it's a blend of 18 herbs. It will nourish your scalp better than a regular just coconut oil or something.
Okay.
And then it controls hair fall also.
Okay.
And your hair is softer than
And you
if you
need
have dry hair.
different oils for different things, no? This
Yeah.
has all the oils in
Yeah,
it.
and all
एक में सब कुछ हो जाएगा.
yeah, it has all the herbs also like the
Amla,
bringraj and
bringraj,
coconut,
सब
sesame,
कुछ है.
everything is
Okay,
there.
you won't lie.
Maybe we'll take some oil.
I know when you're making your mouth.
And here we have it at a discounted price also.
It's for 750.
750.
I think so. Just check.
The winner, yes,
Bukan tu,
you
no?
will get a free massage.
Oil yak mana?
Yes.
Sorry. The oil is not for 750, for 700.
700. Should I give you one?
700.
Yeah.
He took a nice massage, but he has a swim. So once you're done with your swim, come back and take a co-wash massage.
So you,
Not because we're selling the product, but you should
Yeah.
get both of them because your hair is also very curly.
अच्छा इसको YouTube पे डालो चलेगा.
Yes.
बिल्कुल चलेगा.
We put on YouTube.
ये अभी ये ऑयल से कौन सा ऑयल ऑर्गेनाइजर को अच्छा है?
Sorry.
ये ऑयल से कौन सा ऑयल ऑर्गेनाइजर को अच्छा है? अभी उन लोगों को भी बहुत हेडेक होएगा.
Organize.
No?
कौन सी 700.
Done.
Oil, oil.
Only the oil.
So swimmers last round instead of swimming they are running. Poor swimmers. Swim this. Team of Goa police also here. Oh my goodness. Everything happening here.
Rain.
Raining, dramas. Fun day. So all the boys out fishing net in the center of the race area. Sea got very rough now. Really, good time to swim. So, I think that will be the end of the Ocean Man Goa. So, fishermen won the bets.
Won the
They are
ball.
going to pull the net, all team is
Out.
out. Oh, okay.
Their net is very big. Wide.
Huh?
Wide.
Oh, my goodness, so it's a really big
That's
fishing
why.
net here. So they're taking the net to that side.
Ah.
Interesting. So it's like a rotation, right? So now this two guys will go to first one,
Yeah,
front
because of
one.
that one. It's yeah. Then they will go and then.
Yeah. See, they're going like a back.
Yeah, slowly.
Yeah. Okay, so new one join.
And they will take the pole and put it down there.
Yeah. This is the timing chip. Give me the medal. 2. शर्ट टी शर्ट नहीं मिला, मिलेगा क्या? टी शर्ट सर वहाँ पे होगा, तो वापस जाते और ले सकते हैं उधर से. Okay. So that's the official confirmation of end of Ocean Man. Without doing the race, I got finisher medal. Kind of disaster. Personally, not happy. We came all the way from Dubai, spending a lot of money and put a lot of efforts. So yeah, finish. So then bye from Ocean Man.
Ocean Man Goa.
Okay, so we are in now Domino's Pizza after. So we got Goan no Panjim no what Indian no Domino's Pizza. What pizza you have? Chicken. Machi pizza है fish pizza? No. What pizza you have then?
Veg or non-veg?
So veg में non-veg में क्या है?
Chicken खाएगा.
Chicken and?
Only chicken.
Okay. Marlon, order करें glide. You two choose. Come.
I need
चिकन में क्या क्या फ्लेवर है?
चिकन में सर बारबेक्यू आएगा, स्पाइस डबल है, गोल्डन डिलाइट है, पेपरोनी है, चिकन फ्राइड पीस रहेगा,
एक स्पाइसी वाला डाल दे.
स्पाइस डबल.
हाँ.
फ़ोन नंबर बताइए सर अपना.
हमारा फ़ोन नंबर है नहीं.
आपके पास नंबर नहीं है?
हम इधर का नहीं है.
ये कोई भी नंबर चलेगा.
00971.
कैसे इसको नाम क्या है सर आपका?
मंजू.
मार्गरेटा करना है सर एक.
मार्गरिटा. मार्लन मार्गरिटा तो करनी.
Margarita.
कौन सा साइज़ करना है सर?
Medium.
मीडियम. फ्रेंच पैन और चीज़ बस थिन क्रस्ट.
मार्लन
बेस क्या रखना है पिज़्ज़ा का?
Wait, just wait.
තුනීද තික්ද මොකද වෙන්න ඕන? පීස් එක මොකද තුනීද තික්ද ඕන? තික් පෑන්. තික් मोटा मोटा वाला. मार्गरिटा खाना ना तिक्के का रहा है थी. तो लैपटॉप दे.
Manju, how about you?
स्पाइस डबल चाहिए ना?
यार एक काम करना ये बना देना.
Oh, this is really good. Yeah.
हाँ.
We're gonna take one of these.
बट
Yeah.
आपको वेज है तो वेज ही आएगा और नॉन वेज है तो नॉन वेज.
क्यों ऐसा?
वो हाफ एंड हाफ नहीं होता, पूरा ऐसे ही है.
ओके ओके फिर ये नहीं चाहिए. देखिए वेज नॉन वेज मिक्स करने बहल. तो एक मार्गरिटा डाला ना, एक स्पाइसी डाला. कौन सा साइज़ का?
कौन सा साइज़ का चाहिए?
स्पाइसी का मीडियम था.
Medium.
मीडियम कितना है? लार्ज कितना है?
मीडियम में 6 स्लाइस आएगा और लार्ज में
नहीं प्राइस कितना है?
प्राइस
सबसे पहले प्राइस पैसा मैटर है.
पैन बेस करना है ना आपको.
हाँ क्योंकि उसमें ज़्यादा चीज़ रहेगा ज़्यादा.
639 आएगा मीडियम.
मीडियम का 639. ओके. लार्ज का मीडियम का 639 में. और इसका साइज़ क्या है?
ये एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज है सर.
ओके तो एक काम करो, इसमें मेरे को एक दे दे. इसमें मार्गरिटा डालो, वेजी डालो, ये 3 फ्लेवर डालो इसमें.
नहीं आपको इसमें नॉन वेज में भी एक मार्गरेटा तो आता है, बाकी सब नॉन वेज रहेगा.
Margarita dala आणि ते नॉन व्हेज कर.
Oh,
That's
नॉन
better.
वेज करना है.
non-veg.
नॉन वेज.
नॉन व्हेज दाल बारबेक्यू चिकन.
Barbecue chicken.
बारबेक्यू आएगा आपको, एक साइड बारबेक्यू आएगा, सॉसेज आएगा, चिकन फिएस्टा आएगा, उसके बाद आपको चिकन गोल्डन डिलाइट आता है, नॉन वेज डोमिनेटर आएगा और एक
कितना बंदा के लिए चलेगा ये? म्यूजिक बंद करना.
एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज.
म्यूजिक बंद करना.
मैडम थोड़ा साउंड
बंद करना चाहिए नहीं. अभी हम तो है सिर्फ.
नहीं, वो म्यूजिक हमारा
हाँ?
रहता है, ऑन करना रहता है.
भाई सिर्फ इधर ही है, सिर्फ हम में. हमको नहीं चाहिए तो हाँ
नॉनवेज
कितना बंदा के लिए चलेगा?
ये 24 स्लाइस का पिज्ज़ा आएगा सर आपको।
डन
6 रेगुलर पिज्ज़ा।
डन 900 दिरहम 900 रुपीज़
वेज का 899 और नॉन वेज का 999।
999 ओके डन।
ये खाना है
हाँ
और कुछ चाहिए आपको? ड्रिंक्स में कुछ चाहिए?
इसके साथ कुछ मिलता है क्या?
सेपरेट लेना पड़ता है इसमें।
ओके गाइस ड्रिंक्स बियर
7 up.
स्प्राइट
तो ये बियर नहीं मिलेगा ना?
स्प्राइट फैंटा या
स्प्राइट फैंटा पालोन
I want
Sprite.
Papa, another Sprite. Sprite without ice. Of course, without ice. Rice.
स्प्राइट विदाउट आइस
कितने चाहिए स्प्राइट?
एक
2.
2 पेप्सी विथ आइस Oh. विथ आइस लिटिल नो पेप्सी पे थोड़ा आइस डाल दे।
And 1 Fanta.
अच्छा आइस मशीन है नहीं है?
1 Fanta. Yeah, but no ice, yeah?
और मेरे को एक पानी। हाँ थैंक यू मैडम। नहीं है कार्ड से कर सकता है? कार्ड
Mangi one more.
नहीं मंगे वन
Mangi. Biba.
गिव मी कैश
Lekin
Miladin, okay, so we are in now Domino's Pizza after Ocean Man race. So this boy finished 5 kilometer race, champion, finish in 1 hour 10 minutes. I got medal without doing anything. So we are in now Domino's to eat pizza.
Want to where is it? And make a G. And for here.
Mangate watude.
Ayo, maybe one.
දැන් ආයි අරක්කුත් පොයි බියරුත් පොයි.
ඒකද කහන් කියන්නේ මොනවද තින්නේ මේ මොනවද ස්ටෝර් එක උඩ
Go.
වොයි
මේ මම බීලා.
නෑ අනිත් එක මේ අලුත් එක
නෑ නෑ වක් කරනකොට වැටෙනවා.
Let's open. Who will open? Dinesh. Dinesh to open. Let's see how the
Let's celebrate.
It's kind of open here. Manji.
කපල ගන්න එක තමයි.
මේක නැතුව
හරි දැන්
support එකක් දෙන්නකො.
ඕකේ.
අර පැත්තට තෝරා මේ.
නෑ එක පැත්තයි.
Wow. So we got Govan Panjimmo, what Indian Domino's pizza. So we got margarita here, chicken barbecue, chicken spicy, double spicy, and then sausages. ये sausages कौन सा है मैडम?
चिकन सॉसेज है हमारे पास और कोई भी
ये मतलब कि गोवन का स्पेशल है कौन सा sausages
कंपनी से आता है।
चलेगा जो भी ये हम खाएगा. So let's eat then.
Let's start. Let's attack.
Yeah, come on.
ये ना मधी हुई नहीं है.
Yeah, we get it.
කයි කමනේ
Kaya
කමනේ
ikaw.
මම හිත
Di ba, baby, di ba? Baba, Baba.
වෙන පටන් ගන්න අය කඩන්නේ
Kating parang ano.
Katakan mo na, buti kami. Chicken.
Sama. Lagay niya.
Okay.
So we can keep
Yeah.
here. And then here. And then we can, yeah, in the middle.
Okay.
Manji, come on.
මම හිතන්නේ ඇති වෙයි.
Ati,
මම නිකන් මැඩල් වගේ බැලුවා එක්කෙනාට මෙහෙම මේ දුන්නොත් එහෙම මේ
Ati. මේක අනිත් මහත එක.
You have the mic there?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. This one put there.
Oopsie. Oh, we have that.
Kaya ka ita mo.
Oh, no.
Isto ke padre.
Nice. Give me some of that with corn.
It's nice. I forgot to ask which one is extra spicy one, double spicy one.
No problem.
Maldives then, huh?
Again, Indonesia and Nepal.
Let's go Maldives.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
want.
Bali, I don't like, you know.
It's in my bucket list.
Let's go Maldives.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I want it because I see those nice. Oh, it's very
It's
nice.
very nice. Yeah.
But there's a newlywed Filipino drowned and died.
Snorkel පාරක් දාලා
And even
දෙකේ
when-
ferry-
පාරක් දාලා
දෙකේ ferry එක යන්න තියෙන්නේ
Yeah, last
අපේ
time-
මාලේ ඉඳන්
Last time they had some problem with
බේස් එක තියෙන වෙනුව එක ferry එක යන්න ඕනේ ඩාඩි අතේ මම කියපලු හරි ෂෝක් එකක් මම අර ෂෙයා කරන්න බල්ලා බල්ලා යන තියෙනවා ඒක හොඳයි
දිනකට 40ක් යන්න ඕන.
ferry එක
ඔයාට පිනන්න බැරිද? පොඩ්ඩක් අප්පේ.
දැන් එහෙ ගිහිල්ලා මාලේ ගිහිල්ලා මේ ස්නෝක්ලින් කරලා දැන් පොඩු මාළු බල ස්නෝක්ලින්
ඔව් මෙයාට පොඩ්ඩක් පුළුවන්.
ආ
Like and swim, no? Like a Jackie Chan.
Like a Jackie Chan. Why?
She took swimming classes, I thought, you know.
Really?
So, three of us. Nalin, Manju and me
අදින්නකෝ ඔයාලයි.
went swimming lesson. Nalna sir. Okay, we did the level 1. And then two of them went for Dubai, Ocean went Dubai. Like I'm scared of what's inside the water. Like, yeah. No, the reason I took swimming lesson is that I was scared of not, if I cannot touch the ground,
Yeah.
like I'm panic. Then I learned.
Just to at least for
Yeah.
survival, you know,
Yeah.
survival, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, yeah. Right. ඒක හරි අපිට අප එක sourdough එකක්.
Is it sourdough?
Yeah.
No.
I think. Because the taste is different.
Little different.
Yeah. The dough එකේ different.
ඒක නෙවෙයි. සවඩෝ කියලා කියන්නේ ගොඩක් ඊස් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැතුව හදන එක.
Yeah. නෑ නෑ ඒකත්
අපිව නන්නත්තර කරන්නේ.
No, that's also a good experience, and it's a story. Otherwise, it's always finishing happy ending. No need happy ending, right? Sometimes, yeah.
So it was nice pizza. Pizza disappeared. Marlon burned how many calories? Around 1,500 calories and
500 calories.
5 kilometers, right?
Yeah, 5 kilometers close to.
To your fitness maybe 1,500, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if me then it will be 10,000 calories. And then gain again 1,500 calories.
Yeah.
Balance.
Balance, equal.
So we can eat again at night one more pizza.
Yeah, right?
Thank you for watching this.